Hey, welcome to CPR Savers. My name is Celine, and today I'll be showing you how to replace the pads and batteries on your Zoll AED Plus defibrillator. To install the batteries, open the battery cover on the back of your Zoll by using a flathead screwdriver, coin, or other tool to insert into the slots on the back. These slots right here. I'm going to use a coin. Once opened, take out all of the old 10 batteries. When installing batteries, make sure you only use brand new Duracell, Sanyo, or Varta batteries, as these are the only brands approved by the manufacturer. Don't use Panasonic or Rayovac batteries. You want to be sure to check the expiration date on the batteries. These don't expire until March 2027. So we're going to install these. Make sure the positive and negative are facing the right way. There's a symbol on the inside of your Zoll. And then put them in one by one. And after so many are in, your Zoll will speak to you.
Pediatric pads.
Once all the batteries are installed, press the battery reset button.
If new batteries, press button.
Close the back battery cover. Open your AED, check it out, turn it on, let it do its little test.
Unit okay. Pediatric pads. Stay calm.
Okay, so it works. To install the new pads, you're going to simply connect them to the electrode connector on the device. And then this has the expiration date on it, this tab. You're going to loop it through the cover. And then you're going to close it. There we go. To find this product, visit our website at cpr-savers.com and type Z-200 into the search bar to be brought to the product page, or call our customer service excellence team at 1-800-480-1277. Thanks for watching.